Well, howdy gang, it's me, Father Bobber. I'm not on my bobber, I'm in my truck. Because today we're going to pick up a new project, which is a new motorcycle. So as I mentioned, my father-in-law passed away back in April. And he left behind, gosh, he left a lot of stuff. So since April, it's been non-stop work. Constant work. Trying to get the house fixed up, take care of her mom, and just everything. So I've been working on cleaning out the garage, and I finally dug out the old motorcycle. It is a 1999 Victory V92C. And I will be bringing it back to life. It has not been registered since 2008, so that's 13 years. It's a long time. I said I'm gonna go get it, but I already got it. It's in the back of the truck. And gosh, that was a job. I did film it. I've got a buddy meeting me at my house to unload it. The wife actually helped me load it up. Anyway, I'd love for you guys to follow along on this project. If anyone has any experience with this particular model, fill me in, because it's going to be completely new to me. It's one of Victory's first models, I think. It was the biggest V-twin of its time. It's a 1500. I'm not sure of the other specs on it, but it's a big boy. I also dug out some highway bars. I didn't know he had those, so I'm going to slap those on, but tonight I'm just getting it home, getting it unloaded. That'll be episode 1. I might wash it tonight, I don't know. But it's already getting dark. My main goal is just to get it home. And then we'll go from there. So, please follow along on this project. It's going to take me a good while, because I'm sure it's going to take some money. Go ahead and subscribe if you like. Like the video. Leave some comments. I'll just enjoy. So, me in the past, which is your future, we're gonna go pick up the bike. Roll the intro, I guess. Alright, here it is. Victory V92C. It was my father-in-law's. He passed. Told you the whole story. And I'm gonna try to rebuild it and bring it back to life. I just have to get this into my truck. So that should be fun. Let's get to it. Didn't know you had highway bars. Nice. I don't know if it's because the tires are so low. What? It's seizing up somewhere. We'll see. First time this bike's been out of the garage in, well, let's see, 13 years. Something is seizing. Yeah. Looks like that brake is stuck, so I'll try to bleed it. This tire needs air. That brake is also catching. So we'll see if I can get this thing up the ramp and into the truck. That's gonna be a job. Made it home. In one piece. I don't even know if y'all can see it. So I need to get it unloaded. Haha, there she is. We'll bring it into the workstation, where I might just park it over there for now. And then, I don't know. I at least want to get it unloaded and in the garage. And then we'll go from there. We'll see. Okay. New batteries going in. Get up in here. Come on, camera guy. All right. Now, what did I do with the key? I'm terrible at working on stuff. There it is.
You ain't any worse than I have.
So key. Ah! We have a light.
Buddy!
We got lights.
We have lights.
We have parking and on. Come on up here, camera guy. We're in neutral.
Oh.
Huh. Let's try this choke. It's got a choke.
It's got a choke.
And I don't even know. It's been sitting for 13 years, so there's probably not even enough gas in it. What the fuck? See what happens when we do more stuff.
Stuff is being done currently.
Stuff's happening.
Stuff is happening.
Things are. It hasn't been run in 13 years, and we're cranking.
Go ahead.
Horn works. Everything works on here. Oh.
Yeah, dude. It's looking great, really.
All right. Well,
that's all we need.
Let's try one more time. I'll give it some throttle and hold the clutch in. All right. Well, I'm happy with that.
Worst things have happened.
Worst things have happened. Oh wait, how many miles are on it?
Let's give it a look-see.
High H engine. 1,000. No, that can't be right. How do I cycle through here? Can I cycle through here?
Oh, I think it's right here in this little mode.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah.
48.3. High H engine. Clock. Full. I don't know what that means. If this is right, this has 1,470 miles on it. It doesn't even have 1,500 miles on it.
Quite the steal, I'd say.
Now here, I think I know why, because he was always bragging that it was a collector's edition. So it is stamped, the number on here, if we can see it, number 650 off the line.
Mm.
All right. I'm gonna keep y'all updated on this. I'm happy with what we have so far, so.
Oh, she's a beaut.